welcome back to my page. Hi guys, this is Jed again. Once again, thank you so much. Before I jump right into the question or next topic, I just wanted to say thank you to all the new followers. Thank you so much for following, guys. I know that you are seeing value in what I offer and on my post. So thank you so much. Okay, now we are going now to the sixth topic of this 242 live challenge. Okay, nakakabulol, diba? Okay, the question is, what if I don't have money to start this business? Okay, for me this is the most important question above all. Here's what I can tell you. 90% of the business owners in this community were also broke when they started. Because if we're not, personally speaking, if we're not going to find or look for extra source of income, right? And let's say if you are all good, you are satisfied with your earnings, you are living the dream life, would you look for a side hustle? I don't think so, right? So we are all on the same boat when we all started. But here's the good thing, for those who are truly and genuinely looking for a change at life, and that their desire for a change is way stronger than their fear and doubts and all. The community, the business itself has came up with many ways, different options, for all the people that has this financial constraints, because reality speaking, people doesn't have money. Most of the people doesn't have it. So going into another business, because this is a real business, so that means you have to have money to invest to, because if without it, then it's not a business, right? So, but the good thing is, yes, I've already mentioned that the company, the business program has came up with this different financing options. It depends on the country that you're living in. So since this is global, it changes, it varies from country to country. So Philippines has its own perks and all. UAE has a different financing options and all, and other countries, we all have different things. So it depends on what applies in the country. So yes, there are many different options of startups. So this will not discourage you to be in or to try it, because still there are ways. And if you find it, this is helpful, and you still want to push through, and you have that goal, and you think that this is the best fit for you, just get back to us, and whoever your mentor is, get back to them and ask questions, and definitely we can come up with the best solution for you. Okay, so thank you so much again. I hope I did not go beyond 2 minutes. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. God bless everybody.